welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I posted my last video. I think it's been about a month, and I asked you guys what kind of content you would like to see from me, and I got quite a few votes in that you would like to see some more fragrance hauls and fragrance review videos. So I have a few of those coming up. So since it's Christmas coming up in just a couple of weeks, I thought that I would do a fragrance haul, and this is fragrances for your house. So actually I was sent a few products by Circa Home, which is an Australian fragrance brand, and they do a lot of nice fragrances for your house, and they do a lot of nice soy candles and fragrance diffusers and things to make your house smell amazing. So I have a few products to share with you today from their Christmas collection for 2020. And the first one I'm going to start off with is this scented soy candle. And this is the Raspberry and Rhubarb scent. And this is the 260 gram candle. So it's definitely going to last you for the Christmas time. So the packaging is really nice and fun for this collection. It's really bold and eye-catching. So this is the limited edition collection for Christmas time, and this is what it looks like. So it has this really nice, elegant packaging that I think will fit into most people's homes. There is gold accents all over this candle, and also the little base of the candle is gold as well. So it looks really nice. So this candle is so delicious. I've actually just had this candle without burning it because I wanted to show you guys before I actually start burning the candle, but I had it kind of just sitting there in my living room, and my whole room started to smell really nice, and I was thinking, what is that? And then I remembered that I left the candle kind of unboxed, just sitting like this, really create this nice fragrance in my living room. Can't wait to try this one today. So this has a really beautiful scent combination. There is a sweetness of the raspberry, so you have that kind of hint of gourmand to this collection, which I really love. And if you know me and you watch my videos, you know how much I love my gourmand fragrances. And this has that hint of gourmand. Then there's rhubarb, which is a little bit tangy, and that kind of complements each other really well. So what I love about this scent is it's not overly sweet. It's sweet and it has a hint of gourmand, but with the rhubarb it kind of tones it down a little bit, and it's a really nice kind of warm smelling candle, perfect for this time of the year. I also think that gifting a candle is a really great idea as well for Christmas time. I think gifting a beautiful candle like this is such a nice idea for friends and family, because who doesn't want their house smelling amazing? And this one in particular, I think that this kind of scent a lot of people will like, and I think it's going to be great for gifting this year as well. So in the same scented family, I have the Circa Home Raspberry and Rhubarb Fragrance Diffuser. So this fragrance diffuser is made in Sydney, Australia. And again, another great gift idea, I think, for Christmas time. You could give like both of these together as a gift and kind of wrap them. I think that's like a perfect gift, or do this as a stocking filler. So I love fragrance diffusers. They really lift the energy of the room, and it really fills up the room with this beautiful scent. So basically you get these sticks, and then you have the beautiful packaging again, which is the same as the candle. And this goes in here, so you just follow the instructions. Your living room or the entry to your house will smell amazing, especially if you're having a party, a Christmas party or a New Year's Eve party. This is perfect to just keep the entrance to your house. It's going to smell amazing. And I feel like we all spend a lot of time in trying to smell good, and I think it's really important as well for your house to smell nice. And I like to keep these as well, especially if you have pets and you want to make sure that your house smells really nice for the holidays. So another little fragrance combination I have here is the scented soy candle. So it's the same as the one I showed you before, but this one is the 60 gram one. And basically you get 3 different scented fragrances in this really luxe packaging, which I think it would be perfect as a gift again, or you could separate them and use them as stocking fillers. So in this beautiful trio, you get 3 different scents. So you also get the raspberry and rhubarb one, which I already showed you. And the first one is this beautiful ocean and fresh scent. There is orange blossom, has bergamot and patchouli and sandalwood. So it has this beautiful, very fresh notes, and I feel like that's perfect for Australian Christmas time. We have a warm Christmas. We don't have snow. We're often at the beach and celebrating near the beach. So that's kind of perfect to have in your home. The second one again is that raspberry and rhubarb one, which is beautiful. And the third one is mango and papaya, which is kind of like that perfect summer cocktail that you make and it smells like this. There's mango, there's papaya, jasmine, and a little bit of vanilla as well. So I think this is a perfect gift to give someone, also a perfect gift to give yourself. So if you want to relax from work and just kind of read a nice book and light a candle, I think that's the most kind of relaxing thing you can do. So I think that's really perfect for Christmas. And next up I have this little stocking filler which you can hang on your Christmas tree, although it is pretty heavy and it might take down my Christmas tree. You get this beautiful mini candle, and this is in the Lychee Rose scent, and this is 60 grams. So it's actually the same size as these, which is a really kind of generous size for a candle in a bauble. And this is a really nice soft scent, and it's just really nice and soft and elegant. So this is perfect if you just want a smaller candle for Christmas time, and this will last you quite a few days, especially if you are planning on burning that up until Christmas. So this fragrance actually smells quite natural. The rose smells natural, and so does the lychee. It's not overly sweet or anything like that, so it definitely will make your home smell really nice and create a really nice relaxing atmosphere. I think these are perfect to give to friends as well. Anyone who just wants to give a nice little kind of surprise Christmas gift, it's really nice and a really fun idea. So the last thing I have to show you, and this is not really part of the Christmas collection, but I wanted to show you this anyway because I feel like it's really important to have one of these if you like to light candles. And this is the wick trimmer. And I have to say I've been looking for one of these for a while, and I'm really happy that they actually sent me one because I've been cutting my candles with scissors and it's really not the best way to cut your wick of your candle. So this is really great. I have been using this one and it works really well. Another tip is I always, before I light my candle, I always cut the wick just a little bit. So when I was at a candle store recently, one of the women working there recommended that you just cut the wick before you light your candle, and you just do a little bit like that. I also cut the wick after I finish lighting my candle. Before the next time I light it, I cut the wick again, just the burnt part off, so it has a nice clean burn. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this little review. I really enjoyed this collection and I'm excited now to start burning some of these candles, especially that it's only a couple of weeks left until Christmas and I want my living room and lounge room to smell really nice, like really smell like Christmas. So I'm going to actually put all of these up today. I hope that you enjoyed this video and I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.